Hello, it's Pasi from JKS products. Today I'm going to show you one of our main products. It's a pipe snake trailer, and it's meant for all kinds of underground installations. So if you have like a situation where you need to install something within the pipe, that you have a pipe underground or wherever, and you need to get something installed inside the pipe, like a cable or another pipe or wire or rope or whatever, then this is your tool. So I'm going to show you the main functions and explain how it works. With the pipe snake trailer, when you take this to the work site, all you need to do is open the lid and it's basically ready to use. And the main components here are the pulling and pushing device. This is what you use to pull and push the rod that is back here in the pipe and outside the pipe. And then we have CV8 mini winch. It can pull about 1,000 kilos. And normally you use this snake to put that tape, pulling tape or wire or rope or whatever you want to use in the pipe, and then do the actual pulling with this winch. If you have a lighter material like fiber optics or something like that, you can do it also with just a rod. But we recommend using the winch, because if you break the pulling tape or rope, it's much cheaper to replace that than the rod. Rod is also always more expensive to replace. So the way you start working with this is you basically, when you have arrived at your work site, you can open this back panel here, open this, then you start the engine and you're basically good to go. Okay, and when the engine is running, you can control the pulling and pushing device with these controls. This is for the opening of this device, so if you need to open it, you can do it with this, or tighten it, you do it with this. And then this one is for spinning, and it works for both directions. And then when you want to operate the winch, for that you have a selector here. You just switch it to different position, like this, and now the same controls can be used for the winch. And this winch can be also turned here, so if you want to turn it like either way, right or left, you can turn it and align it better with the rope or a tape. So it's quite easy. Here's an emergency stop, and here's the light switch. If you have connected this to the car, you can have a working light that is up there. I'm going to show you how to run this rod through this pulling and pushing device with these controls. I'll just get the motor running and let's see how it works. Okay, let's try the winch as well. First I'm gonna release it. And now I can pull this tape out freely, or I can also drive it hydraulic. But I'll pull it out a little bit and then I'll push it back in. And if you want to use this spooling, you just put it through there, and now you can spool it with this. Okay, those were the main functions of this pipe snake trailer. If you have any questions regarding this device, please feel free to contact us by email or calling us. That's all for now. Bye!